As a parent, we spend more time worrying about our kids' things and kids' bedrooms, but your bedroom is often quite a private space, and I think we suddenly realised that it was definitely the one that needed to be the first room we tackled. As I started to build up the Pinterest board, overall there was definitely a sense of a coastal feel. When Jon and I were selecting the colour swatches, we noticed we definitely were picking up an abundance of blues. There were a few greys there, but the blues were what really kept getting drawn to. So the colour that we chose for the feature wall is Dew Point. The other colour that we chose for the room, and is the majority of the room, is Natural White. Overall, I think the painting process was quite easy and smooth, and we made sure that we prepared the space pretty well. Did a bit of a divide and conquer approach. I did a lot of the cutting in, and Jon rolled on the paint colours. I think it was actually really manageable to do as a weekend project. Painting in the morning, allowing that to sort of dry in the afternoon, and picking up a couple of soft furnishing and doing a bit of shopping in and around the rest of everything that we do each weekend. I think we've managed to create a space that almost feels like it belongs in a resort. It's a lovely, calming, beautiful space, and I think it feels quite luxurious too, like a space that most people would love to have in their home. The moment you finish a project like this, you start to look around the rest of your home and start working out what you'd like to do. So I'm pretty keen to do this all again soon.